easy to understand list of the top uses of chia seeds, covering both culinary and health wellness purposes. Seedling top uses of chia seeds. Culinary uses. 1. Smoothies. Add a tablespoon of chia seeds to your smoothies for extra fiber, protein, and a mild crunch. 2. Pudding. Soak chia seeds in milk or 2. Pudding. Soak chia seeds in milk or plant-based milk, like almond or coconut, overnight to make a delicious and healthy chia pudding. 3. Baking. Use chia seeds in bread, muffins, cookies, and pancakes for added texture and nutrients. Four. Egg substitute, vegan baking. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. This becomes a gel that works as a vegan egg replacement. 5. Salad topping. Sprinkle chia seeds directly on top of salads for a crunchy, nutrient-packed boost. Six. Yogurt and oatmeal add in. Stir into yogurt, oats, or cereal to increase fiber and omega-3 intake. 7. Energy bars and snacks. Often used in homemade energy bars, granola bites, and protein balls for binding and nutrition. Eight. Jam thickener. Use chia seeds as a natural thickener in homemade fruit jams instead of gelatin or pectin. Woman in lotus position health and wellness uses. 9. Weight management. Chia seeds absorb water and expand, helping you feel fuller for longer and curb overeating. Improved digestion. Their high fiber content promotes regular bowel movements and supports gut health. 11. Hydration support. Because they absorb water and hold it like a gel, chia seeds help maintain hydration, great for athletes or hot climates. 12. Heart health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds help reduce bad cholesterol and improve cardiovascular health. Blood sugar regulation. Chia slows down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, helping to control blood sugar spikes. 14. Bone health. Packed with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, key minerals for strong bones and teeth. 15. Boosting energy level. A great source of plant-based protein and slow-digesting carbs, chia seeds provide sustained energy throughout the day. Uses of cumin seeds. Jeera, covering both culinary and health wellness purposes. Herb top uses of cumin seeds. Curry rice. Culinary uses. 1. Tempering. Tadka. Cumin seeds are often heated in oil or ghee to release their aroma and flavor, used as a base for dals, curries, and stir fries. 2. Spice mixes. Ground cumin is a key ingredient in spice blends like garam masala, taco seasoning, curry powder and chili powder. 3. Flavor enhancer. Adds warm, earthy, and slightly nutty flavor to dishes like soups, rice, meats, stews, and roasted vegetables. Four. Roasted cumin powder. Roasting and grinding cumin seeds intensifies their flavor, used in raitas, chaat, and spice blends for a smoky taste. 5. Tea infusions. Boiled cumin seed water, jeera tea, is consumed for digestive and detox benefits, often mixed with ginger, lemon, or honey. Six. Pickles and chutneys. Whole or ground cumin is used in Indian pickles, chutneys, and sauces for taste and preservation. 7. Baking and snacks. Used in savory biscuits, flatbreads like parathas, and snacks like spiced nuts or roasted chickpeas. Herb health and wellness uses. 8. Aids digestion. Chewing raw cumin seeds or drinking cumin water helps relieve bloating, gas, and indigestion. 9. Promotes weight loss. Jeera water boosts metabolism, curbs hunger, and supports fat burning when consumed regularly on an empty stomach. Relieves acidity. Cumin neutralizes stomach acids and soothes the digestive tract, offering relief from heartburn and acidity. 11. Boosts immunity. Rich in iron, antioxidants, and vitamin C, cumin helps strengthen the body's natural defense system. Improves skin health. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help detox the body, clear skin, and reduce acne. 13. Helps with respiratory disorders. Cumin tea or steam inhalation may help loosen mucus and ease symptoms of colds, asthma, or bronchitis. 14. Regulates blood sugar. Cumin may help maintain stable blood sugar levels, supporting those with diabetes or insulin resistance. 15. Menstrual relief. Drinking cumin-infused water can ease menstrual cramps and regulate cycles naturally. Let me know if you want this formatted for a video voiceover, blog, or Instagram carousel.